What does, Daddy, what does silong mean?
What?
What does silong mean?
Timu?
Silong.
Tinu?
Silong.
Sinu?
Silong.
Sinu?
Silong. That, I'll give you a hint. I'm gonna go silong.
Sinu? What?
Silong.
Silong?
I'll give you a hint. I'm going silong.
I'm going swimming.
I'm going downstairs.
Oh.
Okay, what does
Silong.
ayaw ba? Ayaw ba?
Ba.
What does it mean?
Ayaw ba.
What does it mean?
Ayaw ba.
What does it mean?
Right?
What does it mean?
I told you.
What does it
Ayaw
mean, Ben?
ba.
I know what.
Leave me alone.
No.
No? What does it mean?
I just told
No,
you.
you didn't.
I just
Ayaw
told
ba?
you. I just told you.
Oh, I just told you. No.
No, it's not, no.
I'm joking.
What is it?
Stop it.
Okay.
We just did that. I said
Ayaw
that.
ba?
It's like, bro, what are you doing? Stop. All right, we just went through over that. That's what
Okay,
Brittany always
guess
says.
this.
That's what Brittany always says.
May I have a drink of your Pepsi?
I don't have any Pepsi.
Coca. Coca-Cola.